So let's talk about gears again. I'm using my Tamron 1728 on the A7 III now, and it's wide. It's the perfect camera that I want to use when I'm on the field. It's has the best. It's a full frame. I like the dynamic range. The only con to this camera is I won't be able to see myself vlogging, so that's my main problem. I'm using this right now most of the times, the A6600, and it has a flip-up screen. I can't do it with one hand, but the thing is, what I'm thinking now is if I'm gonna use this camera for my vlogging outdoors, I might need to buy the wide lens, which is the 10-18, and that's another expense. At the same time, yeah, it's not full frame, so sometimes I want to take photos using the full frame camera. So I don't know, I'm thinking of using that as my vlogging camera outdoors and this for the studio. So it's like, instead, I like this outside because the thing is it's small, but I might use this for the studio because the thing is it has a flip-up screen. I don't have to set up an LCD monitor and everything else when I'm vlogging indoors. But that one is the bomb. It's just a bit heavy. I can't decide. If I use the A7 III, and it's gonna be like, yeah, full frame, and I can use it to take photos, and it's an all-around camera. The only con is I won't see myself. Doesn't have a flip-up screen or a flip side screen. So yeah, I might end up selling this one, but I like this one. Damn, it's so confusing. I don't know what to do. I don't know.